Don't let this happen to you. Yeah, can you slide it in? There we go. Is that better? Hello folks, John Goldstein here, President of Leisure Coachworks. I'm going to talk to you about a common problem that has to get fixed. And I'm going to go over some details to where you understand what this job is really like. And if you want to know a little bit about it to try it on your own, I'm going to go over some of the details that we do here with the pros at Leisure Coachworks, try and save you some time. Let's come take a look. Right here behind me, we have a 1999 Alpha Ideal fifth wheel. This customer wants to do a lot of things to make it nice and new on the inside, but the first thing we have to do is we have to deal with a functional problem that's causing issues. The functional problem is the rubber roof on this unit is original. It had holes, it actually leaked through and rotted out the wood underneath. So I'm going to go over the first couple steps and then we're going to talk about what we're going to do next. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come and you're going to take off all the exterior molding and you're going to save it, clean it, and reuse it, or you can save it as a sample to make sure that new molding that you get is just the right size, has the right lip, and it matches all the features of the original molding. You're gonna come back and you can cut the roof into sections. And what I mean by that is you're gonna take the fabric and instead of having a large piece to pull at once, you're gonna cut sections so that way you can pull little sections from side to side instead of a full piece front to back. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to all of the roof vents, the tank vent pipes, and remove all of the sealant from those and remove those as well. And then remove the front and the rear cap molding so that way the fabric is good to remove. After we get all of those things removed, we can talk about how to fix this gaping hole. Here at the top, after you cut those sections, you're gonna start peeling them back and then you end up with something like that. So sometimes all it takes is a little seal void right here and you end up with a big problem. Now that we've uncovered the problem, we're gonna remove this skylight, the vents, and we're gonna find where the sections on the roof are gonna make it so we can cut this panel out and install a new panel before we cover it with new fabric. Now that all of the vinyl's off, we're cutting and removing all of the damaged wood. That's a skylight over the shower, and we will reinstall new wood. All right, now we've installed all of the Luan over the entire coach because it had OSB and it tends to telegraph through onto the new rubber. So what we did was we overlaid it front to back, stapled it down on the edges, covered it with tape, cut out all the roof vents, skylight for the shower, front roof vent, and there's the edges. So now you can see we have all the nice new rubber installed. Can't see that gigantic hole that we patched over there. All fresh sealant, beautifully laid, making sure you don't have any leaks. Sealed the front and the rear cap. You have to make sure that you use the proper seal on this side for the rubber itself, and then on the other side of the molding, you might need to use a different one because that's where you have fiberglass to rubber instead of rubber to roof. Now that we've completed all the struggles of this roof, first with replacement of that section that was rotted out, covering it with that new rubber roof that you see on there, and put all the moldings back on and sealed everywhere as needed, and that's what it takes to make that job not cause that same problem again, because all it takes is a little crack, and if you're not sure, bring it down to Leisure Coachworks. We'll talk you through it, or we'll take care of it for you. If you have any specific questions, put it in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to see where we are on this project and future projects to come.
There you go. That's the shot right there. That's the shot.
That's the money shot? No, forget it.
We got a good one.
Is it good?
Just the ending. Just do
cool.
the like, follow, and subscribe.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, that was
okay,
it.
cool. Is that better?